And I've been toying with ants. Or I've been toying with ants. But I've been messing around with this table idea. I think in the last video I had told you that I was debating whether or not to keep this as a bed. To keep this as a dinette table and changing the pop out into a little wider than a twin bed, or the opposite, turn this into a table area and leave this as a bed. Well, it didn't take me long to figure out, as you can tell by looking, I can't put this table up by myself. It's way too heavy to lift up. See those hooks right there? That part down there, that little silver hook, that has to hook up in that thing there, and I do not have, well, my back. I can't lift it. So that means that this is going to have to stay a table. Well, I have to make a decision. If I leave it down, it has to stay down. If I keep it down, then that means I can't get into the storage that's under, well, you get the idea. It's under there. I can't get into it. So, I don't know. Still waiting for Jeff to get here. I just don't know. I think it'd be a lot cuter if I left that a bed and just put a couple of chairs and a little table coming, this way. I think it'd be a lot cuter, and since I'm traveling by myself, why does it matter? So I think what I'm going to do is probably think about it some more. And I started tearing off wallpaper stuff here. I started tearing it off over here. That stuff has got sticky stuff on the back of it from Sticky Heaven, because it is a chore to get that off. But little by little, I'm getting it. It's a job. I'm glad there's only that much of it there. I was thinking about putting some of my wood wallpaper stuff that I've got on this back wall. We'll see. I may have to order some more. Anyway, alright, I am going to finish tearing this stuff off. I'll talk to you in a little bit. I'm going to turn the radio on. I'll talk to you. So I've been out here most of the afternoon and decided that this bed or dinette set has to stay in a bed. This table is so big and so heavy, there is no way that I'm going to be able to put it down and take it up every day. I got this side done with the same paper that I had in the Trail Manor, and I just finished this side. I have a light over here. Yay! Now I'm thinking about using this same stuff back there, but going horizontal with it. I'm afraid it might make it box in too much. And then this brown material that's around the edges, I'm going to replace all that. I don't know if I'll use green, or not green, gray or teal color. Progress is being made. And I've decided, because this table is so heavy, I'm just going to leave that a bed. I'm going to find a cute little tea table and some small chairs. Take this completely out and just make that a place to sit, because I know that there's no way I'm going to be able to lift this up and down while I'm traveling. So that's what's going on, and I'm going to probably order more of this stuff my wallpaper stuff because I don't have enough, and I'm going to go all the way around this area here. So that's the plan. Anyway, I'm going to go grab some dinner. I think it's probably... Echo, what time is it? Echo, what time is it?
The time is 6:11 p.m.
Yeah, so I'm going to go make me some dinner and probably call it quits for tonight. And I'll be back out here again tomorrow.